Here you go, H. Duong's 2-box break, 13, 14, Anthology. So good luck to you, buddy. Cito, I absolutely can do that. Today's Tuesday, right? Yeah, so that shouldn't be a problem. All right, Tyler Seguin, and we've got a rookie selection, dual jersey and autograph, number 249, Tanner Pearson. Jeez, I thought Jeff was bad with the camera. I should turn these into a train wreck. All right, Cody Ceci and Craig Cunningham. Nicholas Jensen, Brian Dumoulin. Jaromir Jagr and a score rookie autograph, Magnus Hellberg. Sean Monahan, Matthew Perot. Nikita Kucherov, and we get a 3-color Dominion rookie patch auto, number 299, Igor Bobkov. Louis Erickson, Prism Parallel. Believe it or not, I actually need that H2 on still if you're up to move it. Michael Bournival. Max Talbot. We've got a base gold, number 100, Max Pacioretty. Morgan Riley. We've got a select rookie jersey autograph, number 199, Oli Mata. We've got a luxury suite game used stick, number 199, Johnny Bauer. Hell of a box. Score rookie gold, Frederick Anderson and Tim Thomas. All right, now on to the second box. Tyler Pitlick and Justin Fontaine. Johan Gustafsson, Brendan Morrow. We've got a score gold, Bobby Ryan. And we've got a rookie gear jersey and autograph. Man, what am I with jersey numbers this week? Numbered 44 of 100, Morgan Riley. 44 of 100, Morgan Riley. Ryan Murray, Bobby Ryan. Stephen Weiss. We've got a titanium rookie draft parallel, number 100, Taylor Fedun. Jonas Rask, Valerie Nichushkin. And stream, we got a score signatures, Mason Raymond. Anders Lee, and we've got a rookie selection, dual jersey and autograph, number 249, Brendan Gallagher. Max Reinhardt and Daniel Cursillo. Jaromir Jagr, and we've got a luxury suite game used stick, number 199, Ron Francis. Ronnie franchise. So there you go, buddy. Now for your extra little bonus here. Oh, thanks, H2O. Much appreciated, buddy. Nice. We've got a superlative TF6 dual jersey silver, Matt Sundin and Joe Thornton. Joe Thornton. So there we go, buddy.